Hey guys, Ben here. I stuck my GoPro inside of a model PT Cruiser Convertible, and now we're going to be water testing it and seeing how the water enters the cabin when it hits the water. As you can see, the car filled up pretty quickly last time. Let's see it from a different angle this time. So, from this angle, that was actually quite intimidating because from both sides, a wall of water comes through these sides and converges straight in the centre. So I wouldn't like to be in a life-size convertible PT Cruiser with this happening. Now let's watch the PT Cruiser sink from a different angle. That's a lot of air coming out of the roof. Now, how about with the roof on? As we can see, I've just done it again with the roof on from a different angle. And now you see a lot less air coming out of the roof. So let's have a look and see how much air is actually under the roof. If you could see just for a second there was quite a considerable amount of air pocketed under the curvature of the roof. Now let's have a different idea. So I put the PT Cruiser down and get two Lego men. These people will be acting as if they were a real person that was in this vehicle because I didn't feel like crashing my car into a lake for science. Sadly there, you only get to see the Lego men lift up slightly before my camera falls off. But as you can see, they've managed to swim to the surface and at least one of them is floating the correct way up. And from a different angle, you can see them escape through the open roof out into the water. So now with the remaining water I have, we're going to send a mini flash flood and see what happens to the PT Cruiser. It gets shifted forward, there's quite a considerable amount on the floor as you can see, and even though I staked my camera down, it still falls over. Look at that thing. So, thanks for watching, and if you really like my channel, please subscribe.